So when I asked my daughter what her favorite case was for my phone, this was the clear winner. As you can see, this is probably the most girly case that I found, and it's really so much fun. It's kind of like ASMR, kind of can play with it all day and never get tired of just watching the glitter and stuff fall. So this was actually gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest opinion. So I just want to show you outside of the case because I feel like you really get the best look from it from the back of how glittery and how cute these little pink hearts are. And I just can't stop. It's so cute. So I'm gonna put my phone in and we're just gonna see. So again, this was gifted to me, but as always, my opinions are all my own. But the one thing I love too about phones are it's kind of like all the cases are kind of like my fun accessory. You can kind of change it to be whatever kind of opinion you want, whatever kind of like mood you're feeling for the day. So this is my case definitely for when I'm feeling girly. So as you can see, it's a clear back, but this pink really kind of livens things up. And it's kind of fun, like if you're talking on the phone, like everyone just sees all this glitter falling. And it's kind of just like a fun little thing. You can also kind of smush it a little bit, but there's no fear of any of the glitter coming out. This also has great texture on the side too. So you're gonna be able to get a great grip on the phone. There's great protection along the cameras. There's a great bumper that's raised. Also along the top, I do have a cover on top. So mine's gonna look a little less raised than yours because I do have that cover. You're also gonna see that it comes with this lanyard. So if you do wanna wear it around your neck, then you're like me, you're always dropping it, lanyard is key. And this just attaches right to this little thing. You can also put any other lanyard you want with this, but if you're looking for kind of the most fun case, this also too, forgot the most important thing. This has the ring holder, which is so important to me because this is probably one of my favorite ways to hold my phone because I have small hands and this is a big phone, so kind of important. So if you're looking for probably the cutest, girliest case ever, this is probably the one you want.